I tried AtomicHub wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first opened the AtomicHub wallet app, I thought it was just another NFT marketplace tool. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that it's more than just a wallet, it's a complete ecosystem for digital collectibles and blockchain assets. On day 1, I connected my Wax account and instantly, my NFT collection appeared. The interface was surprisingly clean, no clutter, no confusing menus. Day 2, I started exploring. AtomicHub isn't just for storing IFs, it lets you buy, sell, and trade them directly. The marketplace runs on the Wax blockchain, known for low fees and high speed. I could mint an NFT for less than a cent and transfer it in seconds. Most people get this wrong. They assume IFI wallets are complicated or expensive to use, but AtomicHub flips that idea on its head. It's beginner-friendly, yet powerful enough for serious collectors. Midweek, I tried the Create feature to mint my own digital art. The process was simple: upload, name it, set royalties, and it was live on the blockchain within minutes. No coding, no third-party tools. By day 5, I was tracking sales and trading NFTs seamlessly. Transactions were instant and the wallet provided full transparency. You can see ownership histories, prices, and even mint counts in one place. After 7 days, the shocking truth was clear. AtomicHub wallet isn't just a tool, it's a gateway into one of the most active NFT ecosystems in the world. It's fast, affordable, and surprisingly fun to use. If you've ever been curious about NFTs but didn't know where to start, AtomicHub might just be the best first step.